friends. Let's learn the action words. We will learn and practice together.
What are the action words? Let's see. The action words describe actions, states, opinions, senses, or needs. Writers use them to portray how characters move or think, how a scene unfolds, and more. Some action words have intent or context behind them, while others have a more general use. There is a list of various action words writers use in literature that you can use in your works.
The horse is running. The girl is walking. The boys are jumping. The children are sleeping. The girl is eating. The girls are talking. The people are listening the news. The children are making arguments. I'm arranging the catering. The bees are buzzing. The children are chasing to one another. The girl is clapping. The ant is dancing. The hen is hatching the egg.
The boy is kicking the ball.
The boys thrash the dog. The girls love the nature. I was surprised when I saw that you have 29 million subscribers. Girls knows good touch and bad touch very well. I am thinking about my career. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.